Hey guys, I'm getting some questions in the comments on what's my workout routine, how do you stay in shape, you're jacked. Well, here, I'm about 217 pounds, I'm 6'2". I stay in decent shape by lifting heavy weights and eating good food. I'm not gonna make this a fitness and health channel, but for you guys that wanna know, I'm gonna do my best to fill you in on what I do, to kind of give you the right now, here it is version, even though there's a way more to it, and most everybody that's listening to this is not going to do it, but I will show you what I do. But first I got to go back and show you what I used to look like. I'll put the picture here or here, I don't know. That's what I used to look like. That was me working like I do now, getting a sausage biscuit in the morning on the way to work, maybe something from McDonald's, get to work and have lunch with Joe Bob or whoever, a consultant. We'd go out and eat at the local greasy choke and puke. And the food was not very good, but I ate it anyway because I didn't take my lunch with me. So I got tired of being fat and out of shape, and my body started to hurt. That's what you need to know. If you don't take anything away, if you don't start picking up stuff off the ground, and you don't start pushing things and pulling things and pressing things over your head, you're not gonna have those movements when you need them. I can't tell you the people that say, I tore my rotator cuff, I'm out of work for however long. Well, what were you doing? I was picking up a car battery or something simple and easy. When you need those movements, and maybe even your life depends on it, you're not going to have them when you need them. And that's when you get hurt. When you're doing something out of the normal that's heavy or awkward, if you don't have it, you're going to get hurt. So do you have to work out to be a welder? The answer is no. All you have to do is die one day and possibly pay taxes. But will it help you? It helped me tremendously. I had back pain, shoulder pain, elbow pain. I looked like crap and I felt bad. I started lifting weights and I changed my diet and it changed everything. I have more energy and I'm just better. So before we get into the exercise routines, which is, I'm not going to touch on that much, go to Financial Fitness. Go to my Financial Fitness channel. I'll put a link up here. That'll take you over there and you can watch the cooking videos, because everything I'm showing you right now is over there and how exactly to do it. I'll step over here and show you where it starts. Every morning, what I do every morning starts with 10 eggs. Take out 6 of the yolks. Now, your metabolism is different than mine. It's not going to work the same for you. You need to figure out what your body is running on and eat a little bit less than what it runs on. Got to be in a calorie deficit, but this is what I do. I'm just showing you what I do. Eggs, I cook them up a certain way. Check out the video. I'll put it right here. And this is oatmeal cooked in the microwave. Just 100 grams oatmeal. I put the oatmeal on top of the eggs. It's that simple. I do this every day. I like it. I look forward to eating it. I smear it around like that. All right, so simple. And then I got some good Redmond's real salt from Utah, not to be confused with Himalayan Pakistan salt. Himalayan salt's from Pakistan. I choose America. I salt half of it. Okay, and if I got a little extra calories, I usually put a little bit of maple syrup on it, just a little bit, just like 7-10 grams, just enough to taste a little sweetness with that salt and that nice oaty flavor with those eggs underneath. It is really good, and I hope you try it. So go check out the cooking video if you're interested, because working out is about 20% of it. Diet is about 80% of it. So you cannot outrun your fork. You cannot outlift your fork. And you don't have to be a big swole up monster to look good. You just need to be in shape. And when you get in shape, you're going to be nimble and you're going to be able to weld faster and go longer and harder than anybody else. So that's it for fitness and nutrition for now. If y'all want some more, I'll give you some more, but I'm trying to keep this welding, if you understand what I'm saying. So y'all have an awesome, awesome day. Later. Okay, so the video's not done. I'm not gonna do too much editing. I got too many other things to do. But I was eating half my breakfast. That's about a lot what I've let out. I forgot to put in here. I ate half of it. That's what you gotta do. You eat half. 3 hours later, you eat the other half. And then whatever lunch you take, figure out what you need to eat. Use LifeSum calculator, food calculator, whatever calorie app you want. Take it, and at lunchtime, eat half. And 3 hours later, eat the other half. What that's going to do is it's going to get your metabolism fired up. It's going to, you're used to eating more at one time. And you're going to be kind of hungry in between meals, but that's your body burning fat. I'm hungry, but I'm going to eat in a minute. Just tough it out. Make this a project. Get it? You're going to have to go into this thing like, all right, this is a project. I'm going to do whatever it takes. I'm going to get jacked. I'm going to be in shape. And I have to work 50, 60 hours a week. I don't care. I'm going to go to the gym anyway. Just make the decision and do it. Stick with it. You don't know if you even like it or not. Get ripped. That's what I try to get everybody to do. Do it one time. Get all the way there. Get all the way there where it feels like you're wearing body armor. Boom. And see if you like it. If you don't like it, don't do it anymore. But what you can do is when you get there, you can reverse diet out. You can start implementing some crap back in. See how it makes you feel. See what happens to your body, you know, see if you like it. If you don't mind having a little fluff on you, I put on a little fluff in the wintertime and I take it off in the summer, but I know how to do it. That's, you know, it's little tips and tricks that I'm gonna try to share with you guys like that. And at the end of the day, what really matters most, on your health anyway, is when you're in your 20s, you know, when you're a teenager and in your 20s, you can pretty much get away with anything. And then something happens after 30. It did to me. I mean, you saw my fat pictures. And I started to really deteriorate. And it was fast. I was addicted to ice cream and just junk. I was eating it all the time. And when you start doing that at 30, you start getting way, you know, you're deteriorating. Sarcopenia's kicking in. And you 40s and 50s, you get diabetes and you just kind of scratch through life, eke along like a worm. And then you die. We're all going to do that one day. Here's what I want for you. I want you to go through life like this, like a rocket ship, making stuff happen, feeling good, rocking and rolling, strong as bull. You know what I mean? Whoa, yeah, boom. Then you die. Get there. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm making any sense. All the scenarios ended up in you dying. But you get what I'm saying, I hope. I hope y'all got something out of this. And I will put my RIP picture right here. It looks like I'm showing out, but you can achieve this with diet and exercise, working every day, and I'll help you do it. Like the video, guys. It helps me. Subscribe, and if you want somebody to see it as well, share it with them. That's the kindest thing you can do for me. Thank you. Later.